Hello, my name is Tracy Youngs. I'm the band director here at Hill Murray School, along with Mr. Bjorn Philosvik. We have 5 curricular band classes, 2 co-curriculars that are tied to classes, 3 independent co-curriculars for Hill Murray students, and 3 options for students not at Hill Murray, in which Hill Murray students can also participate. Our 5 curricular band classes are middle school band, concert band, symphonic band, honors symphonic band, and AP Music Theory. We have 2 co-curriculars which are tied to classes. So that means we practice during the school day, and it's part of the curriculum, and it's a unit of instruction for the class. So that means that students have to be in a band class in order to participate, and those 2 co-curriculars tied to classes are marching band and pep band. We have co-curriculars that any Hill Murray student can join, meaning that students don't have to be in a school day band class to join. And that would be middle school jazz band, high school jazz band, and our ukulele ensemble. We also have options for students that are not at Hill Murray through our Pioneer Arts Academy. One does not have to be a Hill Murray student to join flute choir, take private lessons with any of our teachers, or participate in our Pioneer Pathways music program. We really stress a lot of our student leadership, and so now let's hear from our students.
Hill Murray Band is a very fun and welcoming community, and you can start at any grade or any skill level. Even if you're a senior, you can still join and pick up a new instrument.
One of my favorite parts of band is that I can take it for an honors credit through the Honors Symphonic Band. It's just like being in Symphonic Band, except you have to do quite a few other additional things, such as participating in the high school solo ensemble contest and tutoring middle schoolers for their solo ensemble contest and taking lessons.
My favorite thing about Hill Murray Band is all the pep band games, the hockey games, and going on band.
What I like about band is that you get to learn while also being with your friends and having fun. And you can learn new instruments or learn new things on old instruments, and it's perfect for beginners or people that are already experienced. And you get to learn like Christmas pieces and like all sorts of fun things.
What I love about Hill Murray Band is that you have the ability to do both choir and band. You just switch off depending on the day, and that's always going to be it's really helpful if you're a singer and a band player. And what also you can do is play multiple instruments. Like I play for pep band the bass drum, and for concert band I play tenor saxophone.
I guess what I like about band is that it gives me a chance to meet new people and learn new music.
Well, marching band is pretty cool. It's like it's a once a year show, and it's like practices are only ever during school. There's no like before or after school or band camp, so it's not a lot of stress. If you really like it, you can like get set up with other things. If you absolutely hate it, it's a once a year thing, so there's like no pressure. And it's also nice because you can play like more than one instrument. You can keep more than one up. Like I play trumpet in pep and marching band, and then in concert band I play French horn, and in jazz band I play piano. So like you can keep up as many instruments as